Good morning, guys. Good morning from Dawki camping site. So, we are at the camping site. And Warren, yeah. So we are at the camping site. Welcome back to the channel. So let's start from the beginning. How we reach here, what we did. Please do watch. So guys, this is the beginning of our journey. This is how we started, and if you are someone who wants to know about the expenses, for now I'll tell you about the expenses of vehicle. We booked a Tata Sumo for 2 days because we are 11 in numbers, and the driver stayed with us, and it costed 7,000 for the vehicle. And now I'll tell you about our destinations. Today we are going to Shnongpdeng Dawki camping site. We are going for 1 night camping, and the camping site charge 400 rupees per night per tent. Right now we stop at a viewpoint. This is Arliang viewpoint. This is on the way to the Dawki. Shout from there. Left the forest. Risking all his life now. Now we are almost reaching Dawki, and when we are about to reach Dawki, the road becomes narrow and it has numerous turns and so many trucks, so you must be careful. And this is the real Dawki, but we are not going to stay here. We are going to Shnongpdeng, and Shnongpdeng is still 15 minutes away from the real Dawki. So we are reliving our childhood memories here in Shnongpdeng, sitting on the roof of Tata Sumo. During childhood, we used to climb the rooftop of the Tata Sumo and travel like that. And here, after many years, I'm experiencing the same thing, and it feels really good. That village you are seeing is the Darang village, and he's my friend Onen, having little trouble. And now we have reached Shnongpdeng, and this is the end of this road, and we are going to keep our vehicle here and go for sightseeing. This is the end.
I want to go more.
So here we are at the Shnongpdeng camping site. ये जगह का नाम क्या है? दारंग? नहीं नहीं, ये जगह का नाम क्या है? स्नोंगपदेंग तो पीछे है ना? ये है। दारंग कहाँ में है? अच्छा, ठीक है. So right now we are at the Shnongpdeng. This is the hanging bridge of Shnongpdeng. This viewpoint, our camping site, is 15 minutes away from here. So this looks beautiful, man.
Perfect, yeah, perfect one.
So here's our Wetso couple, Justin Joseph. Oh, people are doing camping there, down there. See, this is Umgot River. If you don't know, Irfan, Dolai Babam Irfan. Right now I'm at the center of this bridge, and this looks really beautiful. This is a really nice place to visit. If you come to Dawki, don't miss this place. Oren, show me your handsome face. Our Oppa from Nagaland. So you can do boating, you can swimming also, you can do fishing also. People are taking pictures. You can do camping also. We are going to camping site. He's from Jawai. Oh, he's Mabutki Suchang. He's from Jawai. Say hi, Mabutki. Hi. Yours heavy or not? He's carrying a. Hey. After enjoying sightseeing in Shnongpdeng, we came back to our camping site, that is Darang. In order to get to our camping site, we have to cross this river. That side, that is our camping site, across the river. We'll cross this river by a boat. So now we are crossing the river. This rate, water is seeping. Huh? Woo! This is our camping site. We have reached our camping site now. We crossed that river. This time we didn't get life jacket, but never miss it. I mean, you may think this is normal, but you never know what will happen. You never know what will happen, nah? So better take precautions. So that's for today. Let's see what we'll do tomorrow. We are going to swim now, and after that we'll be cooking. But now we want to swim because we had a lot of sweats in the daytime. This is not the end. Wait till the end. Hi. Throw light here. What's up? This is our race. This Moran. I cannot see his face yet. Throw light on your face, yeah. Yes, that's our what's up, man. UFC guy. Our cook. Hey, throw light here now. And his assistant from Nagaland, the cowboy. And that's our driver. We cannot see it, but oh, now it's nice, man. You need light, na? But for this.
I'll show light.
No, it's okay. Yeah.
Shot another round. Tonight is going down. I'm yelling about to go down. Running down. Just to keep with you, man. Come on, man.
Good morning, guys. Good morning from Dawki. Before that, I wanna show our camping site. Some morning see. Sun is rising on the horizon. Those are my buddies. And we are sleeping 3 people here. This is the Umgod River. On the bank of Umgod River, we are having this camping. Yesterday all night we enjoyed a lot. I don't know who else are still sleeping. Let me check out. Oh my. Who is that? Oh, who is it? Bear or what? Who's there? Oh wow. He's our driver. I have to sleep again, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video till now. And now we are going for swimming and maybe boating also later. If you want to come here, this is a very nice place. This is Kitbok camping site. If you come here, it's a bit far from road, but it's manageable. You can walk. It's 15 minutes walk. And after that we'll be going back to Shillong only. And from here to Shillong it takes around 4 hours. Yeah, if your car is good, I think it'll take around, if your car is fast, then I think it'll take around 3 hours. And yeah, and the toilet is a bit difficult for girls. If girls come, it may be a bit difficult, but for boys, no problem. They can shit anywhere, they can pee anywhere, so that's not a problem. Okay, if you want to experience this kind of thing in your life, this is the best place. But now today is the 1st of November 2021. Still it's very hot. The weather is very hot around here. As much as possible, try to wear shorts, try to carry shorts. Long pant won't help you. And that's all. And now here's our cook. Not cook, I mean here's our friend, but he is the leader. Okay, without him though we won't be eating anything. Okay, so we have huge respect for him. That's it. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.